What would I say to someone considering purchasing or buying paperless parts? I would say stop hesitating. You want to be around 5 years from now? Stop hesitating. We need good shops. We need to conquer the world again in manufacturing, and we've got the tools to do it, guys. We definitely have the tools to do it. My name's Tamea Franco. I have a company down in Roanoke, Virginia called Global Metal Finishing. We anodize aluminum, and we're in the middle of expanding. I became a paperless parts marketing customer 2 years ago. My son, Ben Lawhorn, worked for me for 12 years. And about 10 years in, he needed to take a break because we're all pretty burnt out. So I stepped into his role, and I found every shortcut I could because I could not understand how I could commit hours to quoting a potential job. It just took too long, so I started taking shortcuts. And then I read about paperless parts. I'm like, this could be a solution because we're exhausting our most valuable resources in the company by quoting these jobs that, what, we're getting 20% of what we quote? No, So that was the beginning of the paperless parts journey. It was, for me, a no-brainer. Everybody says, too much money, too much money, too much money. And I'm like, it's not about the money. The money is going to pay for itself if they do what they say they're going to do. And I'm telling you, it was a great investment for, in my eyes, a little bit of money. Well, I've been in business for a long time, and 30 plus years. You do a little bit of everything, and people come and go, and you sort of take good experiences and bad experiences, and you try to find something that's going to work. And because of paperless's innovation and progressive partnership, they call it, which is transparent. And it is probably the most transparent thing I have ever seen in my career. It's beautiful. Transparency is honestly saying what you're doing. And that's my plug for paperless.